All right, good morning, 4th and 5th graders. Today is December 16th, and it is your Independent Day. Here are your directions for learning today. Everything you need for your learning is going to be right here in the slides, and if you need help, you can come to Miss Stacy's or Mrs. Court's Zoom. We'll be there to help you from 8:30 to 9:30, and if you need help after that, you can go ahead and email us. Be sure to watch Mrs. Hardin's school-wide news and announcements. There is a virtual family night this Thursday, which will be a super fun opportunity for you and your family to join and hang out with other teachers and staff and students from Hamilton and Soda. It is a day 5 today. Miss Stacy's class has art and music, and Mrs. Court's class has art. For 4th grade math today, you're going to warm up with 10 minutes of first rocket math and then happy numbers. Your 10-minute timer is right there for you. And then for your mini lesson today, we are working on Zern lesson 9, Round It. So for your warm up for your Zern lesson, make sure you do the number gym and the blast. And then the mini lesson is your learning lab. Your wrap up is going to be the Tower of Power and your bonus if you get there. After you finish that, if you still have time in your hour, go ahead and work on something from the choice board. 5th grade math, looks like you're working on adding decimals. Same kind of deal, 10 minutes of warm-up with happy numbers, and then working on that lesson from Zern. You want to make sure you complete the number gym, the sprint, the math chat, and the Tower of Power. And then choose something from your choice board until 9:30. For reading today, we're going to warm up our brains by choosing 2 of those articles in ReadWorks about holidays. You're going to complete the book of knowledge for both of them. So you're going to read and then complete your book of knowledge, read the second article, and then complete your book of knowledge. So in your book of knowledge, you're going to want to do a 3, 2, 1, 3 things that you learned, 2 questions you still have, and 1 opinion you have about the article. The class code for ReadWorks, in case you can't get in, is 5VL5ZB. After that, you're going to head to Brain Pop and rewatch the video on winter holidays. After you've done that, you can complete the quiz. For writing today, we're going to warm up with 1 Typing Pals lesson, and then you're going to rewatch the video on Informational Writing Lesson 3, Making a Plan. Basically, you're going to work exactly on what we were working on yesterday. You're going to work in Epic, PebbleGo, and BadgerLink to help you decide what your subtopics are. I want you to make sure that you have your topic and your subtopics written in your rough draft, so tomorrow you are ready to share those out with the class. For science today, we're headed to Generation Genius to watch a video on fossils and extinction. The login for that is Hamilton Soda, and the password is Hamilton1234. So choose 3 discussion questions after that to write about on the Padlet, and to get to the Padlet, you'll just press the link. I think I have to press present in order to click on the link, and it'll take me to the Padlet. You're going to choose 3 of these discussion questions. It's up to you which ones that you are going to add a comment for. What is a fossil? What does a fossil preparator do? How do fossils form? What happens to fossils after they are removed from tar pits? What are some of the types of animals found at La Brea tar pits? What tools are used to remove fossils from rocks? What does it mean when something is extinct? And what types of information can we learn about an animal from its fossil? Those are the questions to work on. You only need to discuss and write about 3 of them on that Padlet. And if you would like to, with an adult, you can complete the DIY project. Totally up to you, that's a choice, but if you want to, you could complete the DIY. Then we have library with Mrs. Hardin. You want to watch the video about ABC order with Chits. Another word for that is alphabetical order. Then you're going to play the super fun Pac-Man game on fiction books in ABC order in our library. When you're done with that, it's time for homework and important things, so make sure you're reading for 20 minutes from a choice book and work in happy numbers for an additional 30 minutes, just like we do every day. Office hours are from 8:30 to 9:30, and these are Miss Stacy's meetings. So Elijah at 9:30, Haley at 9:45, Sammy at 10, Michael at 10:15, Christina at 10:30, Caden at 10:45, and Zayden at 11. We'll be working on your winter reading assessment, so please make sure that you get to that meeting so we don't have to reschedule you for Friday, because that would be a bummer. Mrs. Court's group is meeting at noon, and Mr. Arnest's group is meeting at 2. And that is the end of your Independence Day. Let us know if you need any help.